So when I first came as a freshman, I did the challenge program, and it right off the bat was like a family away from my immediate home. And OMED since then has kept up with me and guided me every single year. Just the free tutoring and just the awesome resources that they provide has definitely helped shape me, I think, into a confident Georgia Tech soon-to-be graduate. So thank you, OMED, for that. If I had to give advice to students who are not graduating yet, I would definitely say find a balance. Yes, it's very, very important to be involved. Definitely join every organization that you can, but don't feel the pressure to just be overly involved and forget about your personal health. Don't forget what makes you happy, and make sure that you're constantly, doing like self checkups and making sure that you're actually involved in what you personally love and enjoy, because it doesn't make sense to be overly involved and be involved in 10 different organizations if it's not actually your true passion. I would say that my time at Georgia Tech has been quite a roller coaster. Overall, great roller coaster. When you're done, you're like, oh my gosh, that was awesome, I want to do it again. But honestly, yes, there's the ups and downs, there's the twists and turns, but it was definitely a all-around amazing experience. I love being able to know that I can go out into the real world, and the first thing that people say when they're like, oh, you went to Georgia Tech, it's, oh yeah, you're smart, or you're oh wow, this is gonna be no problem for you, like when I get in the workforce. So it's just really I guess really comforting to know that. So all the twists and turns that Georgia Tech threw at me were definitely worth it. My future plans. So I am graduating May, so like 2 days, May 2016, and right after graduation, I'll be just backpacking through Asia for 3 weeks. So that's really exciting. I haven't been to Asia yet. I've been wanting to go since my freshman year. So, and then after that, in July, I'm going to be working for starting my full-time position with Discover Financial Services in their marketing leadership program. So it's a 2-year rotation program, and I'm really excited about it.